Today is going to be a really different video. Actually, we're going to have a look at some CCTV systems. Now, no, I don't really do CCTV systems, but in this video it's just going to be an overview, quick review of it, and an unboxing as well. Now, I'm not actually going to set it up because I don't have anywhere to actually set up a CCTV system in my house, but I'm just going to go through how to set it up, the system itself, how it works, where you can buy it from, and that's pretty much it with this video. So this is the WGCC CCTV. There's a lot of C's in that, by the way. So yeah, this over here is the IP camera. It's the lens with the 2.8mm. I believe this is the white color one. We've got the website over here where you can go ahead check out the company, www.wgccctv.com. We've got some pictures over here. We've got some QR scanners so you can have a look at their stuff. Go ahead and check out their Facebook as well at WGCC official. It's HD quality, of course, so it will be a HD camera. We've got smart IR anti-reflection windows, so that's really good. Wide input voltage range plus 25, on-VIF compliant, and it's also slightly waterproof, so you can have it outdoors. And it is also an IP camera, so it connects to your internet and you can view it online through an IP address. So that's really good as well. Let's go ahead and let's open this up. So it comes with a few papers here. The first paper here is the installation. So I'm just going to go through this with you first. So this is a default camera IP, is that one over there. Camera can contact to computer by internet cables. Camera with web page 192.168. If you cannot connect with the IP address, then all you got to do is go on the software and go onto this link over here, and it will give you the sort of the IP thing. So you have to connect the camera to the router, and then the router to the PC, or you can do the option one, which is the camera straight to the PC, and you can just plug in it through the camera's IP. If the camera connects to NVR with you can also download this software. It also comes with as well, so you can have a look at that, and you can get loads more cameras and just access the softwares that way. So that's pretty cool. Just put that to the side. This is what comes in the box. So you've got the one camera, number 2 is the screw kit, number 3 is the drill template pasta, number 4 is the documentation set, number 5 is the waterproof kit for only some models, and number 6 is the sealing bracket, again for only some models. Throw that to the side, throw this to the side. I got the next one, fixed dome cameras quick guide. So this is a quick guide, installation, and also how to set up and everything on there, how to pretty much do everything really. So that's really good to have. We've got the waterproof requirements over here. So if you do want to make this camera waterproof, we've got the requirements over here. So you can either put it onto straight into the ceiling with a gasket, or you can have, the bracket going along, or you can have a ceiling bracket wall coming down. So there's multiple options to do that. And then we've got the actual camera itself, so let's have a look at that. Pull that out, we'll have a look at that in just a sec. Over here you can see the piping and the cabling we have to put the cables in. So obviously we've got a few washers here, which you wrap obviously around this part over here. Put up the cables, tidy it up, put it in this, and then this lock goes into it and you tie it up. It's just to help with the waterproofing. We've also got the wall brackets over here, so we've got 3 screws and 3 plug sockets, which are basically to hold the camera, to do it in the ceiling or on the wall. You've got Allen key over here, so this is a special key. You're going to have to keep this one safe. It's not a normal key you'd find around. Obviously, if I can try and show you it over here, it's like a slightly little star shape. So that's to open up the camera. So you're going to need to keep that safe, or you can't even have a look at the camera itself. Otherwise, have a look at the system down here. So you can see over here that this piece actually goes into here, and I will be opening it up and we're going to have a look as well. So we've got the actual camera over here. Caution, remove the protection film only before use. So once you've set it all up, then remove the protection film. The cable quality is actually very good. It's very thick and it is definitely waterproof, so that is awesome. Coming out of that cable, so it's about from my hand to my elbow length. we got all the pins and whatnot here. So we've got the Ethernet cable goes here, so you plug in the Ethernet through here, plug that straight into your router, and then we got the colors over here. So we've got the brown cable, which is the audio in right, green cable, which is the audio in left, this grey is the audio out, and the purple is the GND cable. We got this one's the blue GND, this one's blue GND, this one's the orange, which is the ALM input, and blue GND. And then we also got, it's really cool that everything comes labeled so you know everything what is what. We got the yellow ALM out, and then the white is the ALM out N, and the yellow is ALM out P. And then we also got the DC 12 volt in as well. So unfortunately the camera doesn't actually come with a DC 12 volt in, so we can't actually power it up right now. But if you have to get your own sort of power supply, and that would be usually from your CCTV box, or if you're just going to plug it in straight and just use this one camera, then you can get a DC 12 volt in, and it's literally just a normal AC adapter really we can plug in. And then of course we've got the screw mechanism here, so this is, you know, the caps and everything you can use here to seal up and make it waterproof. You don't want your Ethernet messing up now, do we? So this is pretty much the packaging of the camera. I'm going to try and open these up and we'll have a look at the wiring inside of this thing. But the build quality is really good, so we do have this sort of steel alloy type material going all the way around. We've got WGCC written on here. Even the glass on the front, very strong glass. I am hitting it with quite force here. Obviously no cracks and everything, so very strong glass. And do we have the night vision LEDs all around here as well, so you will get a really good night camera. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's open it up. And I'm going to clear this up, I'm going to open this up and we'll have a look at the cabling inside the camera. So let's have a look here. So let's open it up, simply opens up like so. So we do have a cable going through over here. I believe this is probably like some sort of earthing, or it's just a cable to hold. Yeah, it looks like it's not a cable, so it's just a springy just to hold the glass end so it doesn't fall over. So if you are working on it, you can just hang it along like that on the ceiling and work on your camera. So that's a pretty good idea actually, so it doesn't fall or crack or anything, because it's the main glass. We do have the lens on the top over here, so you can see here that it is adjustable like so it can move up and down like so. That's pretty cool. We do have all the chips and the cables inside over here. This is literally where all the systems are. Also got some of these things around on the side. So if you notice, it's like these little bean bag things. Now those are probably actually for moisture, so it keeps the moisture away. It's right where the screws and all the joints go, so it's pretty sure if any water goes in there, this pretty much try and keeps it away. We do have a rubber seal going all the way around as well, so you want to keep that nice and tidy when you're fitting it all back on, just to make sure that it does stay waterproof. And that is pretty much it with this camera. Got to say, it is really good quality, really good build, definitely safe and secure as well, and I'd use this as my personal security system. And for the price it is, it's actually not too bad. I mean, CCTV systems are very expensive, so for the price of this one, it's really good. So if you are interested in purchasing it, it's only around 70 quid, so link to buy will be down below in the description. Overall score, I give it on build quality, ease of use and setup. Really, it looks pretty goddamn simple, and it looks really good quality as well. So overall score on that would be 7 out of 10 actually. I'd give it a 7. So if you are interested in purchasing, a link to buy will be down in the description. And that is all. I'll give it a 7 because it doesn't come with an AC DC adapter, which is quite annoying. It would have been better if it came with better instructions as well, but other than that, it's pretty good. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and peace out.